This is UFC Donruss 7293. Let's do this thing 5 times. Here we go. Good luck to all. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Toppers. Welter, bottom is feather. That's 5 times. Get rid of the random. Drop it in exactly where you picked up your spots in 7293. What I'll do one more time is randomize this. Whoever is on top at the end will get all the cards for the voices of the octagon. It'll say 6 times. Here we go. The winner is whoever has the. Wow, on top again. Welterweight. Welterweight gets it. Welterweight in 7293 is with Talon. All right. We'll go through the base a bit quicker this time. It's the same old Donruss base, except this time with guys who punch each other in the face on it. The rookies aren't in a mix, which is a big plus. I didn't get a souvenir for my mum. I got a fair few souvenirs for my mum, actually. Fortunately, it's also Mother's Day over there, so I remembered. Octagon canvas of Dustin Jacoby for the light heavyweights. That's cool. Voices of the Octagon, Megan Levy. Sandhagen, Breval, Rothwell, Magicians of Khabib, John Jones. Performance. Production line, Jorge Masvidal. Whatever the most recent 3 are, they're the only ones left for today. We'll get more up for Monday. Voices of the Octagon, Laura Sanko. Garbrandt, A to 75. Jan Blachowicz again, continuing our good run of numbered cards. Hello Dale, Volkanovski, Henry Cejudo, Cyril Gahn. I actually have a video of me seeing Bentley again for the first time. I will play that for you in between the two break things. Thomas Bernal, Max Holloway, Davis. Tonight, are only the good fighters numbered? We've not had someone who won't be a Hall of Famer in, maybe Jan. Jan is the weakest numbered card we have, and that's saying something. Charles Oliveira, Crunch Time John Jones, Conor McGregor, Press Proof Craftsman. I did get a whole bunch of breaks up this morning. Woke up at 3 a.m. was like, nah, that's too early, brother. And then woke up again at 6 a.m. and was like, listen, I'll take it. Everything dies, baby, that's a fact. Pani Kianza, Esparza, GSP, Sakai. Crunch Time, Max Holloway, John Jones, Jurors of Poirier McGregor. I'm now addicted to grits and beignets. Not together, maybe together, but both of those things are big, delicious, and we'll be recreating them here in Australia. Grits and beignets restaurant coming soon. Yanez, Volkanovski, Henderson, Blachowicz, production line of John Jones, Dustin Poirier, Octagon Marvels. Didn't think grits would be something I was into, but I'm big into. Way too big into. Had deep fried grits, they were amazing. Dawson, Pena, press proof of Ian Gary. That is probably a nice card to pick up. Ian Gary, very popular. Thank you, Journeyman. He's going to be a star. Jack Hermanson, duos of Nunes and Shevchenko, Kamaru Usman, Dan Hendo. Yeah, that's it's going to be cool. Kiss My Grits. That's my restaurant coming soon. Bailey Bands. Of course. Looking for our auto still. Potentially some more numbered stuff. Ian Gary again. Press brew. Jeez. More Gary than a SpongeBob Pet cosplay convention. Watterson, Lazon, Kabir Marvels, Crunch Time, Justin Gainty, Israel Adesanya Magicians. What does that mean? It's the same audience. The difference is I'm on at 12 o'clock and Dale probably wasn't on at 12 o'clock very often. Yeah, I was just about to make the same joke. I'm like, who do we need to put on to keep Bailey away? Edward, Grant Dawson, Barboza, Jennifer Meyer at 49. Crunch Time with Zhang Wei Li, Moreno Figueroa, Dustin Poirier. Okay, Furhat, don't shuffle this one. Oh, Paddy Pimblett rookie. There's one. Yan Xiaonan, Tisha Torres, Amanda Nunes, Royce Gracie, Jan Blachowicz, Charles Oliveira. It's always the UFC that brings him out. I believe so. There was 3 breaks with 7 spots left each on the website. Gold to just 10, Signature Series, Michael Chandler, Paul Craig, Pedro Munoz, Macy Chasson, Blagoy Ivanov, Peter Yan, Significant Strikes of Holly Holm production line, Nate Diaz. And that's that. We'll have another look at the gold auto because that was quite pretty. Michael Chandler there. Signature Series. Cool card. Beautiful. And that is UFC Donruss 7293.